we had a very long trip in Oregon. Smashed the car. Just a little bit into a big pile of snow.
Spun around a few times. It's kind of awesome. Not really.
Not really. Kind of shook me up. Lost my phone.
It's busted somewhere.
Yeah, somewhere it's broken. We went to a sweet lodge called
Diamond
Lake, and it is awesome, and the people were amazing.
And we didn't even get to see Crater Lake. The whole reason we came to Oregon was for Crater Lake.
And they blow. So right now, as you can see, we are about to go snowboarding.
And we're going to make the best of it because these people have been awesome, and we've had a horrible day, like breakdowns and calling parents and telling them that we were failures.
Freaking out and looking like idiots.
And I've never been snowboarding, and we got matching hats.
Oh, matching Guggentoffs. So this is going to be a good time. We are going to make this a good time.
Oregon is going to be a good experience. It is snowing. By the way, we ghetto rigged my car. It does not look like it has fallen. We're still missing the tank top and my hubcap. And there's a big dent over here.
And that's where Kate was sitting, right
That's
there.
where Kate was sitting. That's all the stuff we're taking. Like, you can't really tell, but there's a lot of shit in there. But we're in Oregon! We're forgetting about California and the Four Corners and Nevada. I mean, we're forgetting about everything. We're just saying.
We are going to Colorado.
And Virginia. We're stopping in Virginia. And I'm going to start with this.
We're going to get high in Colorado. We're going to edit it out.
We're going to forget about all this because it's horrible. And we're not making it sound horrible, but it's horrible. We haven't gone to sleep yet.
No, this is still our energy. We're about to snowboard. I think we might pass out.
And we got free coffee.
Free coffee.
I'm really cold and my fingers are cold, so... And...
Just lock.